Peoria Public Library presents Paper Play, Origami for Kids. How would you like to make this cute origami puppy? It's not hard. All you need is a square piece of paper and some folding ability. You can do this. Give it a try. What do you need? This. And your hands, of course. Or perhaps these, and maybe a pen or marker. Ready? Let's get folding. First turn your paper so it looks like a diamond. Now fold the top tip of the paper down to the bottom tip. Carefully line up the edges so they match. Press the fold that is now at the top. Fold it again like this and press the fold, then unfold it. We'll need this for the next step. We need to make the ears next, and we're going to use that center line we just made to do it. It's a little tricky, but you can make this happen. Make a fold that starts about an inch from the center line and angles out like this. Do both sides so they match, and press them down on the edge. If you want shorter ears, just fold the top farther away from the center line. Time to start on a puppy nose. Fold up the point of the top layer, not quite a third of the way up. It's okay if it isn't exact. Press the edge, then fold the point down again. You can fold it a little or all the way down to the bottom, depending on how big you want your puppy nose to be. That last fold makes a very sweet nose that you can color later when you add the eyes. Now flip the puppy head over and fold up this back layer so it matches the front. This next part is a little tricky. You need to fold the point down quite a bit so the puppy has a chin like this. Looks good. Now fold the point back up just a little so the chin looks a little roundish. Flip the puppy back over and color the nose in and add 2 eyes, where eyes need to be. There you have it, a very cute puppy head. And you made it yourself. Give yourself a hand. If you want an even cuter pup, you can cut out a small tongue shape from pink or red paper and glue it into the chin fold. Now that's cute. And all you needed was a square piece of paper.